how to get JioHotstar subscription for just 1 rupee. First, open the JioHotstar app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then log in using your phone number. Once you log in, you might see an offer on your screen that says, "Get 30 days for 1 rupee." Now keep in mind, this offer doesn't show to everyone. It usually appears for new users or accounts that haven't been active for a while. Now you'll see different plans, like Mobile, Super, or Premium. Choose any plan you want, because for the first 30 days, it will cost only 1 rupee. After that, select your payment method. I'd recommend using a UPI app because it makes managing payments easier later. Then tap on Pay and enter your UPI PIN. Now here's the important part. When you complete the payment, only 1 rupee will be deducted right now, but autopay will be set in the background. That means after 30 days, the full subscription amount will be automatically deducted from your bank account. So if you only want to use it for 1 rupee and avoid future charges, you need to cancel that autopay. For that, open your UPI app like PhonePe or Google Pay. Go to your profile, then find Manage Payments or Autopay. Here you'll see an active autopay for JioHotstar. Open it, scroll down, and tap on Delete Autopay. Select any reason. Tap on Proceed, then choose Delete. Confirm it, and enter your UPI PIN. Once that's done, autopay will be canceled. Now what happens is, you can enjoy the full 30 days for 1 rupee, and after that, no money will be deducted because the autopay is already removed.